The extruder body and the stepper motor mount, and I don't know if you can see it, but I can't, that screw hole is just a tiny bit misaligned in that one channel in the extruder, the plastic extruder body. You can see the stepper motor hole there, and you'll see that when I try to put the screw in, it's actually going to scratch the face of the stepper motor plate because it simply will not go in. So this will be step 27 of the M2KS Prusa assembly. Okay, does not go in. So it's hitting right there, and it's just slightly off. And the threads of the screw are fine. There's no problem with them. Okay, it's just when it's trying to go in, it's hitting right there and not going into the mounting hole. All the way in. Okay, a little bit of pressure, and this screw is in.
Yay!
There we go. She's in now.
Yay!
So I think we can do it. Okay.